The XRP ledger is absolutely on fire right now, bursting with activity while other chains are struggling to keep it together. In this video, we're diving into a groundbreaking milestone XRP has just hit, something it's never done before in its history. But that's not all. We'll also uncover a huge red flag looming over other cryptocurrencies in the market and explore some jaw-dropping metrics around RLUSD. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's break it all down. I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today. Let's dive into something fascinating happening in the crypto world right now. Thorchain is making waves, though not in a good way. The Thor token is absolutely tanking. And while the exact issue isn't clear yet, it seems there's a major flaw in the ecosystem's design. As a result, many are fleeing the protocol. If you hold Thor, I strongly urge you to do your own research and stay informed. This brings me to a bigger point. Why I'm so selective about the tokens I focus on. People often ask, why do you only talk about XRP? Why not other tokens? Well, it's situations like this. We're still incredibly early in the crypto space, like the internet in the 1980s or 1990s. Back then, no one truly understood the full potential of the web, and I think we're at the same stage with cryptocurrencies. The truth is, most of these protocols are still experimental, and we don't yet know which ones will stand the test of time. That's why I focus on projects with clear staying power, rather than chasing micro tokens with uncertain futures. In a space this volatile, it's wise to tread carefully. Ripple and XRP have always stood out to me in the crypto world, and here's why. They're bridging the gap between digital currencies and traditional finance. Ripple isn't just chasing hype, it's building real partnerships with financial institutions that desperately need faster, more efficient ways to move money. Think about it. Sending a text across the globe is instant. So why isn't it the same for money? That's the problem Ripple is tackling head-on. Moving money seamlessly, without delays or a central intermediary, goes back to the very foundation of why cryptocurrencies were created. Satoshi's vision in the original white paper. Ripple is solving a major flaw in the traditional financial system. What really sets Ripple apart is its strategy. While most crypto chains focus on retail adoption, which is often fleeting, Ripple is onboarding financial institutions into its ecosystem. These aren't just casual users. They're in it for the long haul, adopting Ripple's suite of products to modernize their operations. That's a level of commitment very few other chains can claim. And let's not forget the tech. The XRP ledger, running since 2013 without a hitch, is battle-tested and trusted. Pair that reliability with the slow-moving, competition-light world of institutional finance, and you've got a chain uniquely positioned to dominate for years to come. Let me share something I think is crucial to understand. People often ask me about this protocol or that protocol, and my response is usually the same. If you discovered Microsoft, Amazon, or Google in the 80s or 90s, would you waste time hunting for the next big thing? Probably not. Their growth potential was so massive that focusing elsewhere would have been counterproductive. The same principle applies here. Why chase micro projects when the clear winners in the crypto space still have so much room to grow? This isn't to throw shade at projects like Thorchain. I don't even know the specifics of their issues, but it's important to grasp how early we are in these ecosystems. The major players have vast runways ahead of them, and I truly believe we're not even in the first inning yet. This is still the pre-game warm-up. Now, shifting gears, let's talk about some really exciting stats coming out of the XRP ledger. The XRP RLUSD automated market maker pool just hit over $1 million in liquidity in less than 24 hours. That's huge. It speaks volumes about how well this ecosystem is designed, thoughtful, calculated, and built for long-term sustainability. As bigger, more sophisticated players step in, this liquidity will only grow. The growth we're seeing in this automated market maker, AMM pool, is nothing short of phenomenal. These pools are shaping up to be a cornerstone for building more native features on the XRP ledger, directly debunking the tired claim that no one's using the XRP ledger. Let's be real, nothing could be further from the truth. Speaking of growth, let's talk about RLUSD. In just a month, RLUSD has hit $110 million in reserves with a circulating supply of $103 million. Here's how it works. Every token minted is matched by an equal reserve, but Ripple goes a step further by over-collateralizing. That means RLUSD is never underbacked. It's always overbacked. This proactive approach ensures stability and avoids the pitfalls seen with other stablecoins. $100 million in a single month. That's exponential growth in action. And trust me, we're just getting started. Now, let's shift gears for a moment. Yesterday's report revealed that SBI is actively working to integrate the XRP ledger into cross-border and cross-currency transactions. Here's the kicker. SBI is Ripple's largest shareholder, as well as R3's, tying together an intriguing history. And if you look at the number of Japanese banks already linked to Ripple, you'll see just how massive this ecosystem is becoming. Have you seen that exciting buzz about every bank in Japan potentially using XRP by 2025? Just look at the banks already working with Ripple. It's proof that XRP stands in a league of its own. This level of collaboration with major financial institutions is something you simply don't see with other blockchain projects. Ripple isn't just building partnerships, they're creating a ripple, pun intended, effect that positions the XRP ledger as the backbone of tomorrow's financial systems. These aren't minor moves. This is the kind of bootstrapping and network effect that sets XRP apart from the crowd. Why are banks lining up to work with Ripple? It's simple. They see the future. They know the XRP ledger is the gateway to staying ahead, disrupting their competition, and leading the charge into the next era of finance. We're watching the financial system's new infrastructure take shape, and forward-thinking banks don't want to be left behind. Ripple is laying the tracks, and guess where those tracks are heading? Straight to the XRP ledger. Let's wrap this up by diving into something historic for XRP. For the first time ever, XRP has just closed a brand new monthly all-time high. Sure, we haven't hit a new daily all-time high yet, but it's getting close. First, it was the yearly high a month ago, and now the monthly high. XRP is smashing records left and right across multiple charts. It feels like we're on the brink of something massive. Soon, we might be able to say we've closed a daily all-time high, officially broken out, and truly shattered that glass ceiling. From there, the sky's the limit. But here's what's making this moment even more exciting. XRP isn't just pumping without reason. Every catalyst we could hope for is landing perfectly for the XRP ledger, while other blockchains are struggling. Ethereum, for example, is still battling scaling issues. Users are leaving, questions are swirling around Vitalik, and concerns about centralization are growing. Meanwhile, XRP is flipping the narrative. Critics who once dismissed it are now scratching their heads, wondering, what did we miss? What they missed is Ripple's ability to build a network effect that integrates XRP ledger into the very foundation of the financial system. This isn't just about retail liquidity. It's on a completely different level. Ripple has been playing the long game with major financial institutions, and now the results are impossible to ignore. XRP is still holding steady in its consolidation phase. No surprises here. It's gearing up to break through its all-time high, but it needs a spark, a catalyst to ignite momentum. Until that happens, it's all about patience. The sooner we see a push upward, the sooner XRP can gain the energy to shatter that ceiling. Now, for those doubting XRP's potential, let's address the noise. XRP has faced criticism for underperforming Bitcoin over the years. But here's the kicker. The charts tell a different story. If you had to choose between XRP and Bitcoin back in 2013, the data shows XRP would have been the better bet. In fact, if you bought XRP within the green zones on the chart, you'd be in a stronger position today than if you'd chosen Bitcoin. Maybe that's why Bitcoin maximalists are feeling a little uneasy. It's wild how underdiscussed this is. Did you know that for most of XRP's history, it's actually performed better than Bitcoin? The whole narrative about XRP being constantly outperformed or down 90% against Bitcoin just doesn't hold up when you look at the data. The stats speak for themselves. Right now, XRP is riding a wave of momentum, whether it's the growth of the XRP ledger ecosystem, Ripple's relentless innovation, or government efforts to bring regulatory clarity to the space. Ripple's partnerships with major financial players like the banks in Japan adopting the XRP ledger are game changers. These aren't things you can easily replicate on other chains. And here's the thing. What's happening within the XRP ecosystem is truly unique. Sure, you might find one or two projects with similar ambitions, but the scale and impact here, it's unmatched. That's why I dedicate so much time to XRP. It's not just hype, it's strategy. In my view, XRP is uniquely positioned to become the #1 cryptocurrency. Bold claim? Maybe. But the groundwork is undeniable. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this update insightful.